If your Keurig is shutting off in the middle of brewing, you're not alone. This frustrating issue has several common causes that we can troubleshoot systematically. The first and most common cause is the auto-off or energy-saving feature. Many Keurig models automatically shut down after a short period of inactivity, sometimes as little as 90 seconds for models like the Keurig Mini. To fix this, check if your model allows disabling the auto-off feature in the settings menu. For some models like the K-Select or K-Cafe, you can disable it by powering off the brewer, then pressing and holding the strong and 10-ounce buttons for 3 seconds. The second common cause is a misaligned water reservoir. Keurig machines use magnetic sensors to ensure all parts are correctly positioned. If the water reservoir isn't properly seated, the machine may shut off as a safety measure. To fix this issue, remove and reseat the water tank, ensuring the magnets are properly aligned. You can also try tapping the tank lightly to release any stuck float mechanism inside the reservoir. The third major cause is mineral buildup from hard water. Over time, calcium and lime deposits accumulate inside your Keurig, interfering with the brewing process and causing the machine to shut off unexpectedly. The solution is regular descaling. You should descale your Keurig every 3 to 6 months using either a Keurig descaling solution or a mixture of white vinegar and water. Follow your specific model's instructions, as the process can vary between different Keurig models. If your Keurig is heavily scaled, you may need to repeat the descaling process multiple times with fresh water. This thorough cleaning will restore proper water flow and prevent unexpected shutdowns during brewing. When basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your Keurig shutdown problem, the issue might be a clogged or damaged exit needle. This needle punctures your K-cup and allows coffee to flow through. Coffee grounds and debris can accumulate around the exit needle, blocking proper water flow. You'll need a paper clip or small needle to carefully clean out any blockages. If you find that the needle is bent or damaged, you can carefully straighten it using needle nose pliers. Be gentle to avoid breaking the needle completely. Another common cause of brewing shutdowns involves K-cup puncturing problems. Some K-cups, especially those designed for cappuccinos and specialty drinks, have thicker plastic bodies that are harder to pierce. When the machine can't properly puncture the K-cup, it may shut off as a safety measure to prevent overflow or damage. You can manually press the K-cup down in the basket until you hear or feel it puncture. For problematic K-cups, you can also pre-puncture them before inserting into the machine. Use a small needle to make a few holes in the bottom of the K-cup before brewing. If cleaning the needle and addressing K-cup issues doesn't solve the problem, try resetting your Keurig. The simplest method is to unplug the machine for several minutes, then plug it back in. For a more thorough reset, remove the water reservoir before unplugging, then replace it after plugging the machine back in. Some newer Keurig models also have factory reset options in their LCD menu settings. If you've tried all these advanced troubleshooting steps and your Keurig still shuts off during brewing, it may be time to contact Keurig customer service for professional assistance. Alternatively, if your Keurig is older or requires frequent troubleshooting, it might be more cost-effective to upgrade to a newer model rather than continuing to spend time on repairs.